Welcome back, everyone. I thought it'd be fun if we did a little what's in my bag today with a twist, because I'm one of those people that doesn't like normal bags, okay? I don't like big bags. I don't even like medium-sized bags. I don't even like carrying a bag, if I'm being honest. I like those little itty-bitty bags that literally just fit your phone, your wallet, and some other bullshit that you might need. So today is gonna be what's in my little itty-bitty bag. This is my bag. I have no idea what this thing is called. I did buy this recently though, so you can still get this. I keep what I feel is necessary, okay? It's really not a lot. If you want, you can take the chain off. You can just have it like a little handheld bag, or, you know, I like the chain because it's really long and I wear it as like a little crossbody. It literally just has 2 pockets, but you'd be surprised how much these little itty bitty bags can hold, okay? So, in my first little pocket, Pokemon hand cream. I gotta say, this sucks. This is the worst hand cream I've used in my life. It is not moisturizing at all. You need to use like a pound of this. I think I got it in like a Yumi Twins subscription box or something, but it has Psyduck on it, so I can't get rid of it. Next thing. My NARS Afterglow Lip Balm in the shade Dolce Vita. I love this thing. I've actually almost used this up. This will be the first like lipstick type product I've ever used up in my life. There's this much left. This is rare for me. Usually I lose them, but I do really, really love this thing. It's like a lipstick balm. It's just really pretty. Really moisturizing too. I want to say it's like $24. A little expensive for a lip balm, but it's tinted. You know, I love my tinted lip balms. I have a sickening amount of lipstick in like every single bag that I own. At least 3 to 4 lipsticks per bag. It's terrible. And I don't even use them all. This is the mini Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This comes in the like $25 mini kit that they have at Sephora. It comes with the Pillow Talk lip liner. This thing is tiny. It is microscopic, but it is pretty. If you just want to try it and you don't want to spend $20 on like the full size lipstick, the mini is good, but it's so small. Look at it next to my pinky. My pinky is bigger. Sickening. Not in the good way. Next up, my pen. My handy dandy, trusty dusty pen. Don't go anywhere without a pen, okay? Especially job interviews. Got this for Christmas actually from my mom. It's a Kate Spade pen. It's very heavy, but it is really pretty, so I'm gonna use it. Also, my mom gave it to me, so now like I feel sentimental about it. Of course I'm gonna keep it. Next. I don't even know what's next. What's next? Oh, my keys. I have a little Pusheen charm. I have a little whistle on them. And I also have a little Pikachu. Next is some more lip products. I was not joking. We got the, I did a horrible job at taking the Amazon label off of this, but this is the NYX, it's in there somewhere. This is in the shade Creme Brulee, the one that looks like lip gloss. I gotta say, I love the smell of lipstick. Like that traditional like lipstick smell. Smells like a little powdery, a little perfumey. It smells amazing. I don't really like this lipstick though. I'm not a fan of matte lipstick. I don't know why I bought it. That's it for this pocket, actually. I gotta say, the pockets are actually pretty big in this bag, even though it's tiny. My only thing is the zippers have cut me several times. The zippers are kind of a pain in the ass because it's like heart-shaped, so you gotta really get over the curves. I tell you, it's kind of hard to open. Next, we got my wallet. It's like a little card holder. It's not even really a wallet. And then next is my favorite part. I got some wipes for your period, your leaks. I don't know what else you would need to use these for, but anything else. And these are flushable wipes, which is why I really like them. I like that they're individually wrapped too, because I can't be bothered to take a whole damn packet of wipes with me everywhere I go, you know? The only thing is, I wish they were a little bit more like inconspicuous. It literally says like you're a vagenius. I don't need the word vagina plastered on my wipes. Like that's a little extra. Goodwipes. Goodwipes is the brand. But that's a little extra, okay? Like I feel like they could have been a little bit more inconspicuous, a little bit more incognito wipes. But no shame, I will continue to use these because they smell good. And they're individually wrapped and I like that. And last but not least, dog bags. Listen, never know when shit's gonna happen, so gotta be ready. Who knows? Maybe I'll even make use of them myself someday. Emergency situation, you never know. that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed being nosy and seeing all the shit that I have in my bag. I will put the link for this bag below so you can check it out if you want to. I want to say I got it on sale. It was like $175. It's usually like $350, I think. Kind of a steal. Also reminds me a lot of the Kate Spade bags that are like the same shape. I will see you guys next time. Bye.